For the chain stitch, we insert the needle and bring it out right next to where we inserted it, forming a loop. I'm going to hold this little tail so it doesn't close. Then we insert the needle from underneath at a distance of your preference. And close the stitch by pulling the remaining loop that forms. If you notice, a chain is formed. Now, where we came out, I hold the thread so the loop doesn't close. Again, choose a distance of your preference. And close it by pulling the remaining loop. Each time you come out, hold the thread so the loop doesn't close. Choose a distance and continue with the same process. Another way you can do it is by inserting the needle right where you brought it out, always helping yourself with your finger underneath. You catch the fabric with the needle and pass the thread underneath. Where you come out, take the fabric again at a distance, pass the thread underneath, and pass the needle through. You continue like this. To finish the chain stitch line, we simply make one stitch at the end without extending it, close it, and that's it.